Right, while we've been tinkering about with car, we're going to check the oil. Mikey Roscoe, come here. Grab hold of this. All that rag. Right, and some of the cars, to get to the access the bonnet, there's a catch in the car. Sometimes they're on the left hand side, like this one, and sometimes they're on the right hand side, the driver's side. This one's on the passenger side. So let's flick the button and listen to the bonnet open. Mikey, open the bonnet. Now where's the alright, yeah. Make sure the bonnet is up and secure. Whereabouts is the dipstick, the oil stick? Ah, one oil stick, right, okay, let's have a look at that. Let's check some oil. When you pull the stick out of your barney, you're gonna have to clean it off first before you take a measure. See how much oil you've got in your car. I hope there's some in there. It's always a good idea to check your oil at least once a week. Back down into the engine. Pull it back out and we'll get a reading.
Very low.
Very low on oil?
Yeah.
Right, well this engine needs some oil in it, needs topping up, otherwise it could cause problems if you're running low on oil all the time. So where would I?
You were here, and you need to be on the markers here.
Oh my god.
So you need to be about halfway.
Right, well I better shoot up to...
You were down here.
Really?
Do it again for you.
That is not good if it were that low. Christ, that is low, isn't it?
You were here.
That's low.
You should be up here.
Right, I'm going to shoot up and get some oil now, and we can resume the video and show people how you top the oil up as well.
That's your oil filler cap.
Where?
You've got a picture of an oil can on there.
Well done, Mikey Roscoe. Right, okay, put the bonnet down first.
Yes, boss.
Right, I've been to the motorist shop and got some new oil. Top up the engine. There we go. Give it to Mike. Let's top this engine up with some oil because it needs it. Just concentrate on what you're doing, man. Yeah, it's really, really low. Are you checking it again?
Always double check.
Yeah, that's low.
Leave your stick out.
Yeah. Oil filler cap off.
Cap off.
Get the protective seal off when you can. Right, it's just gone to punch a protective seal on oil so we can pour some in. Always check your oil at least once a week on your car. And then you'll avoid any problems with low oil and causing some damage to your engine. Right, okay, it's back. Let's have a look. Oh, you know, just go steady.
Shut up.
Seeing as that engine was really low on oil, I reckon it's going to take at least, I don't know, what do you think, 2/3 of that? Now once you've put the new oil in, you're going to have to give it time for it to run down from top of the engine down into the sumping bottom, so that we can put the dipstick back in and measure, see how much oil's in the car. Down it goes. Back out. Still not registered. Okay, so it looks like we're going to use a full litre bottle of oil to top this engine back up. Nice and steady, Mikey. Does it say 1 litre on the bottle? Yep, 1 litre bottle of oil, all into the engine. Dipstick back in. See if we can get a reading now. Hopefully it's going to come halfway up the measuring. Hang on, here we go. Let's have a look. What we got, Mikey? Is that where we are? Fill the cap back on. Job done. Completed. Well done, Mikey. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye. If you've enjoyed this video, click subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I have any new videos.